Hello and welcome back to this new video. I know I'm a little late to the party, but I want to show you my impressions of the Formnext 2024. First of all, thanks to PowderMonkeys for inviting me to the fair. They are specialized in refreshing used SLS powder. I mainly use their powders in testing of our machine. We got some really fast linear motors, huge 3D printed structures, even tables. I was finally able to see the Prusa XL in person. And the new Bamboo, Prusa Core 1. And the big red rig printers. And this, I'm not sure if this even counts as a 3D printer, but it's of course very impressive. I have seen some technical filament potentially for usage in our project. I was able to get test samples of PEEK, both with CF and GF additives for thermal testing, and a sample of the new PPS CF from Ultimaker. There were also huge metal prints with a layer height of almost 4 mm. And some other big parts, but with a more usable layer height. And of course, there were Bamboo Lab. They showcased Swap Mod from Entrybar, which is a really nice project. Bamboo had almost the biggest booth out there. Then there was Formlabs. They finally opened the SLS system for powders from other sources, which is, I think, nice. They also showcased the new Formlabs Form 4, which is really fast for resin-based printers. There was a printer for only insoles, but you can print fully automatically, and it releases the parts itself, and so much more. I can only recommend Formnext for anyone with interest in 3D printing, even the people that want to tell their 3D printing stories. For example, I met a guy in his 70s that worked on FDM printers back in the 1980s. He showed me some old analog pictures from the first prototypes they managed to build. There's so much stuff happening at every booth. So much inspiring tech, it's just mind-blowing. If you also want to print big parts, but you don't want to buy a machine this big, you can just use PCB-Way, the sponsor of today's video. They are not only experts in creating beautiful PCBs, they also offer a variety of other services like 3D printing. From prototypes to large-scale production runs, PCB-Way offers a comprehensive solution of all your 3D printing needs. And with support for a wide range of materials, including tough and durable polycarbonate, what we want to use in our SLS project, you can create parts that meet even the most demanding requirements. They got a really quick and experienced engineering team, which for example helped you with optimizing your parts for 3D printing. I tried their part with extra thin walls as a test, and they reached back within 30 minutes pointing out the flaw in the print. They also got SLS printing as a service, even for metal parts. Now the SLS stuff. I finally have seen really printed parts made from Titan and other metals. I have seen the smallest laser center I could find that looks like it wants to be a little fridge. It's impressive that they managed to cram a full laser center for metal parts in this package. Stratasys revealed a new technique to repurpose old SLS powder. The parts are not as high quality as normal SLS parts, but the tech behind is way more impressive. So what I was able to take home with me. All the parts will get used in my 3D printing classes to show my students what is possible with 3D printing. First of all, of course, the new Stratasys part. A little part made from a big robot arm that's really good to showcase the FDM process. Some PLR, CF in black. And there was Flsun with a little tiny package for me. We will take a look together at this in another video. They also added some ePLR high flow. And I've even got the one and only 3D printing node and Ivan Miranda to sign my secret F-Athon package. Thank you all so much for watching this far. Please like, share and subscribe and stay tuned. Maybe I'm already sintering.